I've come on behalf of the Kadan Society, and we have all the members of Kadan Society with us. We got a request from the PI of Old Goa to remain present for an investigation which they are doing in the case of violation of Section 17A in a case where illegal land filling has happened in Santa Cruz village. This is in survey number 531 and 532. Now, since we have been called, today we were called at 4 o'clock. I spoke to the investigation officer who is the PSI Edwin. He is actually not in chair right now. Possibly he had some official work. But he tells me that he is coming. But we've inverted this letter and we have highlighted a few things to the police station, and I would want to share it with everybody else because these are like case studies of these issues, you know. So the issue here is about Kazan land. The issue here is also about illegal land filling, and therefore Section 17A. Now, in the case of Section 17A violations, the flying squad has taken cognizance, has done inspection, has made a report, and the Town and Country Planning Department wrote to the Old Goa police station that there is a violation and do two things. One, make sure that no more violation takes place. Two, register a case of violation. So that was done on 1st of February 2024, which is now we are in February 2025. From that time onwards, there was no action seen at the police station. But when we followed up in month of May, they registered an FIR. That is almost after a delay of 5 months. They registered an FIR in the name of unknown accused. Now that is another level of issue, because though we know here which is the land, though we know here who is the owner, though we also have records in this particular case that a particular person on signature is saying that I am permitted that land to be filled. In these circumstances, if the police station of Old Goa is unable to record at least some names, or one name or two names as the main accused here, besides adding some unknown accused name.
You had given the name?
Yes. So it's not just I have to give, it's like it's available. Ownership of any land is a public document. It's not that Kazan Society has to give. And this is also a case where we have High Court matter pending in this. We have asked the High Court to look into the matter of an illegal conversion sanad which has been issued in this particular case. So and the police station is also party in that particular case, in that particular matter. So here is a very curious, very interesting case study where the records are saying it is Kazan land. Records are also saying that illegal land filling has happened. Records are also saying that so many more laws have been violated. But in the police station, we see that unknown accused FIR is filed. If this is the way the system has to go forward, then one day all of us will become unknown here, and the land will still continue to be illegally violated. So I think if here in such a case where we need to see an exemplary performance of one department like the police station, of another department like the panchayat, of another department like the collector's office, we don't even see basic performance. Forget about exemplary, because this is the issue of environment. In the case of environment, we all have a constitutional duty. Individually, we have a constitutional duty. Plus, we have a duty as an authority. As an authority, I cannot do unconstitutional things which are against the law. So there are some things which need to fall in place. And if these things fall in place, I think what we can safeguard is the environment in the extreme of it, but we can also safeguard Khazans. This is just a broad detail of what this matter is about. Why I am telling this is because at least such cases have to decrease. They cannot increase. One cannot say, oh, the panchayat did violations, An unknown accused complaint was filed, and therefore now in my land I can do the same thing, and in my land also no action will be taken, because similarly an unknown accused complaint will be filed and I'll be free.
Why the police department is not taking action on it?
That is exactly, it's not that they are not taking action, they are taking action, but the titles of the actions is unknown accused. So we cannot say they are not taking action. They are taking action. Of course, it is a delayed action.
Though you are providing the name, so they should do on the particular name. They should not go.
That is what we have come to ask PSI now, because it's almost 1 year. It's not that the environment will wait for these violations to happen and all the damages to be done, and still we cannot find who did that damage, nor can we repair the environment. So here is a case where neither can we find the people who damaged it, nor we can repair the environment. It is more than 1 year now. This particular complaint was in October of 23. We are reaching October of 25, almost 2 years going to be complete that time. So I do not know if we can do a better job. I surely think that we can do a better job.
This is a matter in the court also, I think.
Yes, this is a matter in the court, but the High Court matter is regarding the conversion sanat specifically. Yeah, and the illegal filling matter is with the GCZ against, that matter is also going on. And regarding the violation under section 17A is with the police station. So I think at the end of the day, we are losing a sense of our duty. We are losing a sense of what is the record. We are losing our sense of who is a public servant, what is the role of a public servant, what is the role of a government authority. And we are thinking this is our personal thing, that you don't accuse me, I don't accuse you, let's live happily, let the environment go down the drain.
What are local MLA stand on?
I think you'll have to ask him that.
Because whenever we are asking him about the problem and the problem, he just mum.
No, I think the media can do that job about asking the local MLA. Yes. Because he is also one of the public servants who is entrusted with some duties regarding the environment.
Are you telling to say that the local MLA is involved in some
in whatever process I just explained to you, in that process there was no role of local MLA. Here the role was limited of the village panchayat, of the police station, of the town and country planning, of the High Court and of the collector. Whatever I explained were all dealing with these departments. And in all these departments, somewhere we still have to wait for justice to happen.
What is your demand?
Demand is nothing but if the police station has to take certain action, the details, the evidences, the record is with them, and they can surely sensibly take some action. We are not looking at some personal issues here. We are looking at environment issue, and we are looking in what way we can stop something more happening of similar. If like this it has to happen, then let us be ready for another 10 more cases.
One issue that we have is that a conversion sanad has been issued for a land which is under agriculture or khazan, which cannot be done. So that sets a precedent that if this is done, then it can be done in the future as well. And the second is we are seeing a lot of development happening in Goa along the coast, and especially on what were the old conquests. So they are going to in the 70s, Bangalore was 70 or 60% green and 40% urban. Today they say 97% of Bangalore is urban. There are floods happening and other things. So if there are laws in place, they should be followed, and we have to see that we don't allow rampant land filling without due process of law, which is as good as having a wild west. From an environmental perspective, this is a test case. We should be looking at it carefully and seeing how a precedent is set that certain violations are stopped. Thank you.
I am the main complainant for the Khazan land filling, debris filling. पहिले सुवातेर हांव सांगूंक सोदतां की पंचायतीन सरपंचाच्या अंडर जेनिफर दे ओलिवेर जी दादागिरी चोरयल्या ही पंचायत घर लँड फिलिंग डेब्रीज घालपाक आनी सगळे एप्रुवल घेवपाक सनात काडपाक DCPचे टेक्निकल अप्रुवल घेवपाक हे सगळे कामांनी तेणी रेजोल्युशन घेवंक ना, अप्रुवल घेवंक ना, BDOची डायरेक्टराची अप्रुवल घेवंकूच ना.
दिस इज अ काइंड ऑफ
दादागिरी, सारखी दादागिरी. आता तूं म्हणटालो न्हू, आतां MLA आमचो कितें रोदोस आमचो MLA कितें करता. आमच्या MLAन पयले इनॉग्रेशनाक गेलोलो तो. हांव म्हणटा इनॉग्रेशना पयलीं तुका पळय न्हू तें काजल लँड पडटा वो कितें पडटा पळय तें.
म्हणल्यार तेणी काय पळोवंक ना तेणी.
ना तुका तर फॉरेस्ट हांव म्हणना आमकां पंचायत घर जाय नाका म्हणना आमी, जाय घर आमकां कालाफ्रा जायच घर आमकां. पूण काजल लँडान तूं बांदतलोय. आतां म्हाका एक सांग, पंचायतीन आतां तूं समज एक कोणी समज प्लान घालतलो आनी पंचायत काजल लँडान घर बांदपाक तुका दितली? दिवचीच ना न्हू. सो पंचायत जाणा जावन की हे काजल लँड पडटा आसतना ही सगळी अप्रुवलांक गेल्ल्या, रेजोल्युशन घेवंक ना आनी गव्हर्मेंटाची अप्रुवल घेवंकूच ना खंयच्याच कामां. म्हणजे ही कालापूरची पंचायत चलता पळय ती दादागिरी टायप.
कोण लिडर आहा भितर?
सरपंचाचो गोव मडकेकार व्हडलो, तो सगळें चलयता हें आयज काल. आनी आयज आमी हांगा पुलीस स्टेशनार उबे आहा. DCPन क्लियर कट मेन्शन केलेलें आहा आपल्या लेटरान की सरपंच जेनिफर दे ओलिवेर नेक्स्ट लेटरान तेंच्या पयलो आनलोन केलेलें, मागीर नेक्स्ट पोतून तेणी लेटर केलें, क्लियर कट मेन्शन केलें आहा. पूण इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन चलता पळय तें रॉंग डायरेक्शनान वयता. रॉंग डायरेक्शन, कंप्लीट रॉंग डायरेक्शन, डिले ऑफ टॅक्टिक्स.
Are you blaming police department and other sources?
I am blaming for wrong direction. आता कितें म्हणून सांगपाचें? आता तूं म्हाका सांग, इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन ऑफिसर आहा पळय तेणें पयलें पळोवंक जाय. आतां तेणें कितें केलां, सगल्यांक 11 पंच मेंबरांक लेटरां काडलेलीं. अरे तूं म्हाका सांग, 11 पंच मेंबरांक लेटरां काडपाक तुका गरज कसली? इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन ऑफिसराक कसली गरज? तुवें रेजोल्युशन चॅक केलेलें, अजेंडा मिटींग आहा ती चॅक केलेली तुवें? इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन ऑफिसराचें पयलें काम आसलें वचोन भितर बूक चॅक करपाक, रेजोल्युशन चॅक सेक्रेटरीक धरूंक जाय आसलो. बेतर तूं येलो टेकन रेजोल्युशन, हेणी रेजोल्युशनूच घेवंक ना मिटिंगेर. जाल्यार 11 पंच मेंबर कशे आसतले बेदी, 9-10 पंच मेंबर कशे आसतले बेदी हें करपाक? सरपंच आनी सेक्रेटरी बेदी आहा, सो दोगांयचेर FIR रेजिस्टर जावंक जावो, सेक्रेटरीचेर आनी सरपंचाचेर डायरेक्ट क्लियर कट दाखयता. अरे सरपंच आपूण जाणा जावन ऑफिसान सावन 8 म्हयने जाले लेटर बरयता कोणाक? डेप्युटी टाउन प्लॅनिंगाक, मागीर पोल्युशन बोर्डाक आनी CRZडाक बरयता की हे खाजल लँडान पडना म्हणून, आनी आपणे डायरेक्शन दिला म्हणटा ते डॅब्रीज घालपाक. अरे इतले तुमकां पुलिशे क्लियर कट दाखयता लेटरात त्या की हे सरपंचान केला. तुम्ही कोणाक रावता रे करपाक FIR रेजिस्टर? शी हॅड मेड लेटर फॉर द CCDM आणि गोवा पोल्युशन बोर्ड क्लियर कट सारकें. आनी DCPक बरयला की आमचे कालापूरचे आमी पंचायत घर बांदता ते जमीन काजल लँडान पडना ते सांगता. आनी आपणे म्हणटा लोकांक सांगला तुम्ही तुमची डॅब्रिक्स आहा जाल्यार थिंगा घालची म्हणून.
Why the pollution not taking action?
Forget about pollution. Time is come to register FIR.
Why they are not taking action?
That only तेच हांव विचारूंक सोदतां. मातशें डिले जाला आनी सगळें डिले जाता.
You think this some hand in gloves is going?
पयले सध्या आमची सरपंच आहा पळय ती काला भितर गोव मडकेकार, तर हितून कितें चलता आसतलें न्हू
भितर.
जाल्यार कित्याक जायना तर अजून FIR रेजिस्टर?